10 shocking truths about Chhapaak. Deepika is portraying the role of an acid attack survivor in her next movie Chhapaak. The movie is based on the real life story of Lakshmi Agarwal and her indomitable spirit. Who is Lakshmi Agarwal? Lakshmi Agarwal is an acid attack survivor and speaks for the rights of the other acid attack survivor. She is now TV host and campaigner of Stop Sale Acid. Acid attack. In the year 2005, Lakshmi was attacked with acid when she was only 15 years old. She was going to the nearby bus stop to catch a bus when the unfortunate incident happened to her. Attackers. Lakshmi knew the attacker Nadeem Khan, also known as Guddu, even before the attack. Nadeem was her brother's friend and she was even friends with his sister. Nadeem, along with his younger brother's girlfriend, attacked Lakshmi with acid. Backstory of the attack. Nadeem, a 32-year-old man, fell in love with Lakshmi and proposed marriage to her. Lakshmi was then only focused towards her career, and because of that, she declined his proposal. How did the attack happen? At the day of attack, Lakshmi spotted him near her house along with his younger brother's girlfriend. When she was going towards the bus stop, the girl pushed her on the ground and Nadeem threw acid on her. Rescue and treatment. Lakshmi was left unconscious on the road as no one helped her. When she was conscious again, a man came and splashed water on her face and called the police. As soon as she reached the hospital, 20 buckets of water was poured on her and her skin was dripping from her hands and face. Surgeries. She had gone through 7 surgeries and the doctors told her parents that she won't survive. She used to have a mark on her nose before the attack and told doctors to remove it. Lakshmi thought she would look prettier than before after these surgeries, but when she looked into the mirror, she was devastated. Suicidal thoughts. She was depressed for her new look and for the traumas she had gone through. Lakshmi said that though the attacker attacked her once, the society kept attacking her for her fate and looks. People even told her parents to give her an injection that would kill her. Society's negativity gave birth to suicidal thoughts in her mind. PIL in Supreme Court. In 2006, Lakshmi filed a PIL in Supreme Court and pleaded for a total ban on the sale of acids. The accused was sentenced for 10 years and his partner was sentenced for 7 years. In 2013, the court ruled in her favor and directed state governments to issue acid sale licenses to only selected retailers. Works and awards. Lakshmi is the founder of Stop Sale Acid, a campaign against acid violence and sale of acid. She was the director of Chao Foundation, an NGO dedicated for the acid attack survivors in India. In 2014, she received the International Women of Courage Award by US First Lady Michelle Obama. She also received Women Empowerment Award in 2019 for her social works. Personal life. Lakshmi was in a relationship with social activist Alok Dikshit, which is played by Vikrant Massey in the film Chhapaak. They decided not to marry each other and opted for live-in relationship as they didn't want people to come to their wedding and comment on her looks. They also have a daughter named Pihu, but Lakshmi and Alok are separated from each other since 2015.